Hello, my name is Benjamin Hart. I'm an American attorney and the Managing Director of Integrity Legal here in Bangkok, Thailand. As the title of this video suggests, we're discussing the fact that there seem to be a great many changes which are currently sort of on the roster, if you will, or sort of docketed up, if you will, on the legislative agenda here in Thailand. And they're worth noting because I think that, passage of any one of these items with regard to changes in legislation would have a pretty tremendous impact on probably day-to-day life here in Thailand for many people. And I thought of making this video after reading a recent article from the Pattaya Mail, that's pattayamail.com. Article is titled, Marriage Equality Bill to be Proposed to Cabinet on October 31. Now, at first glance from the headline, you'd think, okay, it's just about this sort of Marriage Equality Act that they've been kind of talking about now going back into the National Legislative Assembly. So they've been talking about this, what are we at here, like 6-7 years that this has been seriously talked about, and we've almost seen laws promulgated and then Parliament will close, but it seems to be a priority at the moment. Quoting directly, Prime Minister and Minister of Finance Seta Thavisin chaired a meeting to deliberate Thailand's Marriage Equality Bill, Gender Recognition Bill, Revocation of Prostitution Suppression, Bangkok's bid to host Bangkok World Pride and Pride Parade, universal health coverage for transgenders. Quoting further, the Prime Minister expected that the matter, Thailand's Marriage Equality Bill, be brought to the cabinet meeting on October 31st, 2023, and to be reintroduced for the Parliament's scrutiny as the first agenda after convocation of its second annual ordinary session in December. So basically, it's sort of gone through some preliminaries here, and with Parliament reconvening, this is going to be on the agenda. Quoting further, he also reaffirmed the government's commitment to push ahead the Marriage Equality Bill and other related bills, and to liaise with all concerned agencies in order for the bill to get through. A roadmap will be drafted through broad discussion among all sectors. The Prime Minister called on everyone to be patient. Yeah, again, like with anything, it takes a little bit of time to see real movement on this stuff, but that's a lot. Just going back through that, Marriage Equality, Gender Recognition Bill, Revocation of Prostitution Suppression, we've discussed that a fair bit on this channel. And then on top of it, Bangkok's bid to host Bangkok World Pride and Pride Parade, as well as universal health coverage for transgender folks. So again, these are big issues, and when I first read this, I kind of asked myself, is this some kind of omnibus bill that's going to be the Marriage Equality Bill? Or are they going to go through and sort of hash this out on an issue by issue basis? Remains to be seen. That said, it is noteworthy, and again, if we actually saw legislation promulgated with respect to any of these issues, that in and of itself, on any one of the issues singularly, that in and of itself would be pretty big news here in the Kingdom of Thailand.